Welcome back to TechKnow, everybody. Let's get into the tech news. First up, Adobe has made one of their softwares free. That's right. And that's also a first. Basically, Adobe wants to compete with Procreate, a painting and art app, so they decided, you know what? Let's go ahead and make Adobe Fresco free to the public and not charge a subscription the price of your insurance. As an Adobe user, I'm very proud of them for making this leap to less money hogging. Adobe felt the need to do this since Procreate was only $12.99 for life. You never have to pay again after you paid once. And Clip Studio Paint was free, and these were dominating the market where Fresco was supposed to thrive. And because of this, Fresco was not an appealing option because it was a monthly subscription for $9.99. Because, all it did was the literal same thing, but just one more feature. Next, Intel's Core Ultra 9 285K CPU is a good and bad at the same time. This brand new processor series was supposed to be a top-of-the-line, groundbreaking monster of a computer processor. And instead, it was just quite a big disappointment. While it runs slightly better than the previous series in non-gaming tasks, it's severely underwhelming for gaming, especially considering what we expected from Intel. On top of all this, it is the first CPU that will be sold to fit Intel's brand new LGA 1851 socket, which means if you buy the CPU, you'll have to buy a brand new motherboard too, if you even want to use it in the first place. The one positive though, is that the processor will be much less power consuming compared to its predecessors. This change made it 7% better for non-gaming and 8% worse for gaming, so that kind of sucks. It's really up to you to decide whether you want this, considering what you need it for, and really if you want to buy a new motherboard. Lastly, Netflix has closed one of their 3 AAA video game studios before it ever had a chance to actually release a video game. This kind of sucks, since I was fairly excited about this one. The studio had plenty of amazing developers, from games like Overwatch and Halo. All we can hope is that the other 2 studios that they have will produce good stuff. Because it'd be pretty cool to have some official Netflix games. Come on. Let me know what you think about this stuff in the comments, and subscribe for more tech news. We'll see you in a couple days for the next episode.